Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily replace the shower screen on your Ascaso Espresso machine. You only need two things to do this: gloves and a flathead screwdriver. So, let's get started. I recommend that you let the machine preheat for a few minutes, as this will make it easier to change the shower screen. This is also the reason why I recommend gloves. The machine gets really hot. To change the shower screen, you need to lever out the old shower screen with the screwdriver. As you can see, it moves relatively easily. It works best if you try to loosen the shower screen from several sides. Perfect, the first part is done. What you can see here around the shower screen is the group head gasket, and it should only be changed if it's damaged or very stiff. Mine still looks good, so I will keep using it. So this is the original Ascaso shower screen that comes with the machine when you buy it. I opted for an IMS Shower Screen, as these are by far the most popular on the market. As you can see, the shower screen looks relatively similar to the Ascaso one, but it's the little things that make the difference here. The holes of the IMS shower screen are larger and also go right up to the edge of the shower screen. On the Ascaso shower screen, the holes do not quite reach the edge. Now I put the gasket on the new shower screen. Looks good, ready to install. To install it, you just have to push the shower screen upwards. You'd better put your gloves on again, as the group head is really hot. Time for a test. Looks very good. Seems like the water comes out much more evenly. But it wouldn't be a test if I didn't also make an espresso with it. For this, I grind 18 grams of coffee and then do my typical puck prep. I fast forward a little so you don't have to wait so long. Now we can finally pull a shot of espresso. I currently use a 5-second pre-infusion, followed by a 3-second pause. I'm aiming for 36 grams out in around 30 seconds. Looks absolutely amazing, very creamy. Please like the video if it was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Cheers!